Hi loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is all about my new sofa. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I complained about my previous sofa because the cushion in it is just like dead and gone, like it's not comfortable at all. I did a poll to ask you guys if I should ask my landlord for a new sofa or just suffer in silence. The truth is I actually need a new sofa, but I just don't know how to ask the landlord to replace the current sofa. It is old, it is falling apart, and it is just extremely uncomfortable. I just make it look cute so that I feel better about it, but I need it replaced and I just don't know how to ask. And some of you all said I should suffer in silence, and thank God I didn't listen, because that over there, that's my new sofa. So we're going to be assembling it together, which I feel like is such a scam, because when I ordered a sofa online, I ordered an assembled sofa. Okay, the picture I clicked on was assembled. But anyways, it's fine. This is my old sofa. I know it's a mess, but I don't really care because I'm getting rid of it like right now. I mean, yeah. I don't know how I'm gonna get it out the apartment, but I'm gonna get it out the apartment. This here is gonna go into the laundry, so it's going on the floor. Part of the problem with this sofa is this, right? The leather on the sofa is tearing off. Let me actually show you guys closely. So this is what it looks like. So I always had to have this on top of it. So when I moved into the apartment, right, this was on the sofa. So I didn't even think to check underneath it to see what was going on. I was just happy that it was a sleeper sofa, so that when I have people over, there's always like an extra bed. But yeah, it's a mess. So every time I cleaned, there's always like this stuff on the floor from the sofa, and it's also very annoying. I've got me my screwdrivers and a pair of scissors, and I'm hoping that that is all I'm gonna need to assemble this sofa, by the grace of God, because this is all I have. This is literally all I have. I'm gonna have a read at this instruction manual, and then I'm going to continue with assembling this thing. Wish me luck. So I've just had a check of all the parts that are listed on here to make sure that they match with what I've received, and they do match. So I'm going to start assembling now. I don't understand why this doesn't stay, because I followed the instructions. And it's just not staying. Oh my gosh. Basically couldn't get the arms of the sofa to stay on, so I just put them away.
75 years later.
So that wasn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be. I'm currently sat on my new sofa. I need to get cushions and stuff to put on it, so I'm gonna do that. I'm probably gonna redecorate my living room a little bit as well because it's time. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. If you have, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you guys in my next upload, which will hopefully be an apartment tour of what my apartment looks like now, because ooh, child, it's very different from what it looked like when I first moved in. Alrighty guys, bye.